Okay, 2-0.
Ate, third time.
Okay. Ito na, laksa tayo ha. Kailangan mag-sign. Ako tayo mga girls. Okay, player number 1. Pass the ball to player number 2.
Sige, o'clock daw.
Player number 2, tumbo the ball. Pass it to player number 3. Make an exhibition. Make an exhibition. Player number 3, dribble the ball. Pass it to player number 6. Number 6, dribble the ball. Make an exhibition. Pass it to player number 9.